Shilpa breaks her silence on her sexual harassment case levied against Bhabiji producer Binay Kohli's husband Sanjay. The Bhabiji Ghar Par Hai controversy between Shilpa Shinde and producer Binay Kohli took an extremely unexpected and ugly turn this afternoon. Shilpa has filed a sexual harassment case against the producer of her former show Binay Kohli's husband Sanjay Kohli, and we brought it to you promptly. Now here are the details of Shilpa's charges. Shilpa alleges, I had been working in Bhabiji Ghar Par Hai since November 20th. Our set was located at Palghar. Right from the beginning, Sanjay Kohli has always behaved in a way that would put me to shame, but I preferred ignoring because you come across such kind of people in the TV industry very often. Often he would pass remarks like, I like you a lot, you are very sexy, you are very hot. And while saying such things, he would hug me forcefully and would touch my waist and breast. I would resist, but he would brush aside the incident saying, oh, it was a mistake. Come on, ye sab to chalta hai. For a long time, I kept quiet because my money was pending with him and I feared that I would not get my hard-earned money. However, Sanjay's behavior never changed and this disturbed my mental peace. I spoke to his wife Binay Kohli, who asked me to stay quiet. Instead of supporting me, she threatened me, saying that she would throw me out of the show and ruin my career. The next day, Sanjay entered my makeup room and said that he doesn't want me out of the show. He also expressed his desire to get into a physical relationship with me, since according to him, it was not wrong. I can't take my eyes off you, and tried hugging and kissing me. I pushed him away, and in the meanwhile, our makeup man Bharat came out of the loo and witnessed the incident. Sanjay then left, and the next day I got to know that Bharat was sad. I do not remember the date and time, but Sanjay once again demanded a sexual favor from me. He also said that we would go outdoors to promote the show, stay in the same room and satisfy each other. Sanjay further said, if you resist, I can even force myself on you. The next day, Sanjay called me to the office and said that if I resisted in giving sexual favors, I would be sacked from the show. On March 3rd, 2016, Sanjay declared me as unprofessional and said that I throw a lot of tantrums, which is why I'm getting replaced. The announcement was made in the media. He didn't even pay me for the month of March 2016. Post this, I got a few work offers, but even there Sanjay spoke ill about me and tried ruining my career. Thus, I am left with no work as of now. This series of events has put me to shame and troubled me mentally. When contacted, Shilpa simply said, it's true and refused to elaborate further.